Hello and welcome to the Gem Store. So, this is our second episode. Today, we'll take you deep into the magical world of aquamarine rough stones. ये वीडियो आपको बताएगा इनके फ़ायदे, पहचानना, एनर्जी एंड यूजर्स. From raw beauty to powerful vibrations, aquamarine is much more than just a pretty crystal. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस नेचुरल वाटर ब्लू खजाने के साथ. ओके, व्हाट इज aquamarine? Aquamarine is a blue-green variety of mineral beryl. It is cousin to emerald. इसे समुंदर का पत्थर भी कहा जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स वाटर लाइक color. Right, you can see it. It ranges from pale blue pale, pale blue to deep sea green. Natural aquamarine roughs like these, they haven't been polished. These roughs, they are not polished. ये वैसे ही है जैसे ये धरती के अंदर थी. They are believed to carry the pure calming energy of water, जिन्हें पहनने या पास रखने से मन शांत होता है. Ancient sailors, they believed aquamarine could protect them at sea. ओल्ड लेजेंड्स कहते हैं कि ये नेपच्यून का फेवरेट स्टोन था. ओके, इट वाज आल्सो यूज्ड इन रोमन एंड ग्रीक कल्चर एज अ सिंबल ऑफ करेज एंड क्लैरिटी. इतिहास में इसे हीलिंग के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता था. इनफैक्ट अभी भी यूज़ किया जा रहा है. सो टुडे इट्स माइंड इन कंट्रीज लाइक countries like Brazil, Madagascar, नाइजीरिया, पाकिस्तान, इंडिया. हर एक लोकेशन पर कलर स्लाइटली अलग होता है. थोड़ी क्वालिटी में भी उसमें फ़र्क होता है. सो यू कैन जज वेन एवर यू सी एनी टाइप ऑफ वेराइटी with its color and quality. You can make it out that what origin it has come from. Aquamarine is known to activate throat chakra, helping with clear communication. आपको शब्दों में ताकत और सच्चाई भी देता है. It brings peace, reduce stress, and is excellent for people with anxiety or emotional blockage. बहुत से लोग इसे मेडिटेशन में भी यूज़ करते हैं. It's associated with the cleansing and emotional detox. Feel the vibrations. It's subtle and powerful. This is why healers and Reiki practitioners love working with aquamarine. Wow, wow! This stone, gives such positive vibes. It's so subtle. You can carry a small piece of aquamarine in your pocket or a bag. इसे रोज़ अपने साथ रखने से पॉजिटिविटी भी बनी रहती है. एंड Jewelry makers love these rows for raw crystal pendants and wire wrapping, especially with silver. It also supports public speakers, teachers and singers क्योंकि ये throat chakra से जुड़ा है. Now real aquamarine, they have a very soft shimmer and they are not too very glassy. इसके अंदर के natural inclusions और हल्की cloudiness zones होती हैं, which you can figure out if you see in each of the pieces. इसके अंदर natural inclusions होते ही हैं. It's harder than glass, around 7.5 to 8 on Mohs scale. Fake stones they easily get scratched. Natural aquamarine, they may look cloudy, but light passes through it brilliantly. Oh. Now see, it's just now see, passes through it. It's going so nicely. Just if you see any of these pieces, I mean, light passes through them very brilliantly. I mean, color ranges from icy blue to ocean green, and that's totally okay. हर piece unique होता है. Cleansing is easy, just mild soap and water. Harsh chemicals से बचना चाहिए. ये पत्थर डैमेज भी हो सकता है. So this is how you need to take care of aquamarine. You should avoid harsh chemicals, and you should clean it with soft brush and water. That's it. So drying. Use a soft cloth to dry. Just don't rub them. You can use a small napkin or there are soft clothes, very soft clothes and silky clothes available in the market. You can use that so that it doesn't. If you rub it harder, there will be scratches. तो उसको सही रखने के लिए थोड़ा soft stone ही use करें तो better है. And store separately. So in soft pouches or paper, clash होने से इनके edges भी टूटने का डर लगता है. So now let's come to the astrological and